Students, so today we will discuss what do you mean by imine and amine. Okay, what is it? What is imine and what is amine? Today class is on this. Fine. So let's see what do you mean by imine. Imine mean you know that carbon triple bond nitrogen, right? You have studied no RCN. This is the what cyano group or nitrile group. I understand you have studied this. Next, sometimes carbon with nitrogen it may form a double bond. Okay, if carbon form double bond with nitrogen, okay, then it is known as imine. What is that? Imine. Okay, if this carbon will form a double bond, so here that means carbon with two more double bond, sorry, two single bonds, and nitrogen is having one. Sorry, I have committed a mistake. Yeah. This is nitrogen balance is 3. So this is known as imine. What is an amine? We will see the structure in the further. So see, imine and amine are nitrogenous compound. What is that? Imine or amine, whatever the term is there, they are the nitrogenous compound. And what is the difference between imine and amine? They consist of a C double bond nitrogen bond, while enamine is a single bond, C single bond N, and followed by a double bond. Okay, what is that? Followed by a carbon-carbon double bond. N-amine. What is that? En. En means carbon double bond carbon. Done. This is known as N. And amine means anywhere it will be nitrogen will be there. This is the amine. Cn. Cn is your amine, right? Followed by En and An. Amine. Okay. En amine. This is known as enamine. In double bond followed by a amine group is known as enamine. So how we could prepare amines? Let's see. You have studied the carbonyl compounds in the second midterm, second semester, that carbonyl, aldehydes, ketones. So see, when an aldehyde or ketone will react with primary amines, it will form imine. See, hydrazone, you remember phenyl hydrazone. Okay, that formation is known as imines, right? So if you just put hydrolysis reaction with water, so you are supposed to going back the reagents. Okay, imine can be hydrolyzed with water again to form primary amine and the respective ketones or aldehyde. Fine. How to prepare? You understand that one. Next goes to N and amine. Enamine is formed upon reaction with secondary amine with an aldehyde or ketone. Fine. So in the presence of acid, what enamine can be prepared? See. So here what is there? This carbonyl and this group will removed. Okay, in the as water, and now this carbon and nitrogen form a bond, right? And it's followed by the double bond. That's it. So this is known as enamine. Okay, what is the difference between these two? Let's see. Already I said that an imine is an carbon nitrogen bond. What is enamine? Enamine is carbon nitrogen followed by carbon carbon double bond. There is a pi bond between carbon and nitrogen. There is no pi bond between carbon because it's a single bond, but unsaturation is followed carbon carbon double bond. Okay, imine and its byproducts are synthesized by ammonia primary amine when with aldehyde ketone. But enamine is the reaction product of secondary amine with aldehyde ketone. Imine is more stable than enamine. Enamine is less stable than imine. Please remember this thing. This is the difference. Okay. So this is regarding the imine and enamine. Okay. Next is your what is the structure of azide? Azide mean when three nitrogens, nothing, that is nothing but the N3. What is that? N3Na. You have studied no sodium azide. So this sodium azide. Okay, Na plus N3 minus. This is known as sodium azide. If this is the phenyl, if Na will be replaced with a phenyl, then it is known as phenyl azide. Okay, this is the azide formula. See, in the class we have discussed N2Cl minus. What is the structure? Can anyone tell? Just comment it. Okay, so pH N2 plus Cl minus. You know diazo chloride. This is the diazo N2. The term is known as diazo. But if it is N3, that is triazo. You know that is known as azide. What is that? If it is triazole, it is known as azide. Okay, you remember this one. So this is the structure of azide, phenyl azide. Hope you understand, everyone, and this is clear to all of you. Thank you. If you have any query, put in the comments.